Sakkar Pongal and Khara Pongal translates to the sweet and spicy version of Pongal, a dish consumed across South India during the harvesting festival Makara Sankranthi or Pongal festival. Pongal is a very delicious and enjoyed in many parts of India. Happy Makara Sankranthi and Pongal to you all. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon for notifications on new recipes. Let's get started. I am cooking rice and moongdal together. Once it's cooked, I will separate it into two portions to make sweet and spicy pongal. Take a mixing bowl and add 1 cup of moongdal and 1 cup of rice. By adding water, rinse it well and drain the water. Take a pressure cooker and add 2 tablespoons of ghee. Then rinse the moongdal and rice and saute it for 2 to 3 minutes until it turns aromatic. Now add 5 cups of water to it. Give it a mix. Close the lid and pressure cook it for 3 whistles. Cool it down for 10 minutes. Now open the lid. It looks well cooked. Let's mix it and mash it a bit. Divide it into 2 portions. And first, let's start to make the sweet pongal. Into a saucepan, add 1 cup of jaggery and 1 cup of water. In a medium flame, let the jaggery dissolve completely in the water. Once you see the jaggery is dissolved, it's time to add the cooked mixture to it and start mixing and mashing it. Let it combine well with the jaggery syrup. Now, add 1 small cup of boiled milk to it and give it a good mix. The consistency looks perfect. Simmer it for 2 minutes. Add 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder. In a low flame, let's make the final ghee seasoning to it. Add 2 tablespoons of ghee, let it melt. Then add 2 tablespoons of cashews and 1 tablespoon of raisins. Saute it on a low flame until golden brown. Add the fried cashews and raisins to the sweet pongal and mix it well. Now the sweet pongal is ready. Let's prepare Khara Pongal. I have taken the remaining half portion of the cooked mixture. It looks a bit dry. Let's add 1 cup of hot water to it and make it a bit loose. Start the spicy seasoning to it. In a medium flame, heat a pan and add 2 tablespoons of ghee, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, half teaspoon of peppercorns, 2 to 3 green chilies, 1 inch chopped ginger, pinch of hing or asafoetida, 10 to 12 cashews. Saute it. Now add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, few curry leaves and saute it till it all turns aromatic. Now add the seasoning to the mixture. Mix it all. Add 1 teaspoon of salt or to your taste. Add hot water to adjust the consistency if required. Give it a good mix. Finally, garnish it with a few coriander leaves. Now the delicious Sakkar Pongal and Khara Pongal is ready. Thanks for watching. If you liked my video, hit the thumbs up button, like, share and subscribe. Goodbye and stay tuned for more.